Just pepper to go on for him.
I'm gonna be any better at it.
Because you almost fucking got it the first try.
I don't know.
Dude, you almost had that.
Huh? Oh, I was trying to give you something to fucking...
I get a backer on it so that way his...
Oh, man.
See what I mean though? Like, I don't know.
Is it even right way?
Oh, it's got it on the going the other direction on the other side with the coil piece. I don't know what difference that's going to
A lot. Looks like it's closer. Oh, don't touch it. Thank you.
Yeah.
There you go, Tommy.
Fun part is getting back behind this.
Push the pin back over.
Mm-hmm. This pin isn't such a fucking stupid spot. I'm scared if I hit it too hard, I'm gonna push the pin back. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
No, I still gotta pull the pin. It's not far enough out to the washer and the pin. Bottom belt. Oh, I gotta get that from there. Fish that pin out. Redneck ingenuity. Redneck ingenuity. Who put all these bolts in here?
I don't know.
Come on, you bitch.
I was like, alright. Look at that. We don't need the other Tommy.
Yeah.
You know what the auto says.
Yeah.
No. That's pretty funny.
Well, he probably would have had it right by now.
Oh, yeah. I'm like, you're turning it the wrong way. I've been like, fuck, that was the issue the whole time.
Well, we'll find out right now when you go to release it and see if it's actually releasing the brake or not. Might be going the wrong fucking way with it. I don't know. Looks like the springs aren't quite as tight, but I don't know if that means anything.
You would think it would.
flipping the old wrench.
Yeah, I know.
What maneuver do you guys call that at the shop?
So fuck this job.
Fuck this job maneuver.
So why did this get pawned on me job?
Yeah, I've seen that a few times stopping over at the shop.
Give her a whack. Give her a whack. See what happens.
Well, I'll grab that bolt bucket.
Bolt bucket.
Bucket bolt. Do not set anything on that seal.
Yeah.
Don't lose this one.
Ooh.
We'll see if I die.
You'll be fine. Trying to bring it. Oh no, it's releasing. Yeah, it's easy now. Now what happens when you turn it back on? Well, shut the engine off. I know, but you can shut it off. If you shut it off, it'll lock it again.
Yep, it locked it.
I'm so sorry.
Way too low.
It's not moving now.
What do you think? Think we should pop back off and adjust it down a little?
I think I got lucky getting the spring on that one time. Yeah, whatever you think is right, man.
Maybe it's trapping. Out there, it turns and I'm like, fuck, it's easy, shit, I can only go so far, fuck. I remembered I had to go way up with this fucking thing. Put the fucking nut where I wanted it. And then bring the other one back down.
This wrench don't fit.
Yeah.
Yeah. Not so much on the, yeah, the whole thing's thicker. Definitely on the top, though. The top looks like it's doing a lot of the grabbing.
I wish I could tell.
Want me to pull on it right now, see what it feels like?
Yeah, lightly.
Ideally, one person should be able to do it.
Yeah.
You gotta tighten it?
No, Oh.
Probably has to be running.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, the brake is on right now.
The brake should be technically really well, the pressure. Well, I don't want to do that without the spring back in.
Yeah.
Yeah, right.
So, let's figure out, I guess, where we think it should be running. I hope we're close. I can run it with this open.
Yeah, we can test it real quick. You just don't want to run the winch in or else it'll shoot oil everywhere out of that squirt right there.
Yeah. Alright. I feel like I should go more.
And then the spring on the other side still got a lot of tension on it.
Not much.
It's spread.
It's going in.
Is it?
Yeah, bringing that nut up is bringing it in.
Yeah, so maybe not go too far anymore than A.
Alright, now I gotta put that fucking spring back in so I can adjust the bottom part.
Where's the spring go? Oh, there it is.
Oh yeah, that's fucking tight, man. So that was... What the fuck, Tommy?
Yeah, I need something thinner than that, don't you?
Need a real steady hand, too. You try it.